Hi folks, today I wanted to walk you through the 7 major steps that are involved in any loan process. And the first step involves getting your rate locked. Now, the rate lock is important whether you're purchasing or you're refinancing, because that's going to protect you against any future rate increases. I will walk you through that process step by step. The next step involves collecting all of the necessary paperwork. What I'm going to need from you are income, asset documentation, the bank disclosures, all of that. I'll give you a list of items that I need, and it's really important for you to send me back anything that I ask for absolutely as fast as possible. I'm going to put all of your paperwork together along with title and escrow paperwork and the loan application, and I'm going to send it off to underwriting. The third step involves ordering the appraisal. Now, I can only order the appraisal after I submit your loan to underwriting. The appraisal process typically takes about 7 to 10 days, but when I get a copy of the appraisal report, I will send you a copy of it, and I'll ask you to respond via email just to make sure that everybody knows that you received it. The fourth step is the actual loan approval. Now, when your loan gets approved, what that means is the underwriter will approve your loan conditional upon us providing more paperwork, right? So typically, this will only be minor items, things like updated pay stubs and updated bank statements. But again, if we need something from you, it's important for you to send it to us absolutely as fast as possible. I will collect all of these approval conditions, as they're called. I'm going to send them off to the underwriter, and I'm going to have the underwriter sign them off. At the point they're signed off, then we will be what's called cleared to close. And that brings us to step number 5, when we actually generate your loan documents. Now, our compliance department will look at everything and make sure that your loan complies with all of California lending regulations, and then we will generate your loan docs. Step number 6 is when you do your signing. The loan docs will be emailed to escrow. Escrow will prep the docs, usually takes about 45 minutes, and then they will add important documentation to them. One of the things that they're going to add is an easy-to-read one-page estimate that will let you know exactly how much money you may need to bring in to close your escrow. They will also call you, and they'll schedule a time for you to come in and sign the loan documents either right there in the escrow office or perhaps via mobile notary. So that's step 6. And step number 7, after you sign the loan docs, is the funding. Your loan docs will be sent back to the funder at the bank. The funder will review everything, and the funder will let us know if any additional paperwork items are needed. Typically at this point we won't involve you, but sometimes we will need things from you. But that takes typically about a day to fund your loan, and after your loan funds, after the funder physically sends the wire out to escrow, we're basically done. Technically the next day your loan records, but at the point of funding, we're basically done with the transaction. So I hope this was very helpful, and feel free to check my YouTube channel for other frequently asked questions. Thank you.